In this video, we're going to be talking about Game Bar and how you're going to be fixing it for yourself if it doesn't work. Now, usually what a Game Bar looks like is this. This is your Game Bar where you can go ahead and capture footage, capture audios, and a whole lot more. You can also see the performance of your system, and it's a pretty cool thing to have. Now, in the case your Game Bar does not work, the first and foremost thing, which is the most basic thing to do, is go over to your Windows and go over to your settings. Now, once you go to your settings, go to gaming, and here you're going to see game bar. And you're going to make sure that it is enabled, okay? Because usually if your game bar does not turn on, in that case, it will give you this component. Now, one more thing you can do is when you're in a full screen game, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to be doing a, combination of the components on your keyboard, which is Windows, Alt, and R. Now, what that does is it usually opens up the recorder as so in your full screen games. And if this opens up, that means that your game bar works. Now, again, if that doesn't do it for your PC, you can also go ahead and reset all your Xbox app equivalents. So, again, you're going to go over to your settings, and once you do that, you go over to apps, and right here, you're going to go ahead and search up Xbox. Now, just go ahead and, uninstall and reinstall these apps back again, or you can also go ahead and reset the game bar, options if there are any. You can go over to advanced options and you can simply reset them. And what happens in that case is your game box gets resetted and it repairs any, prolonged issue that goes on with it. So that is pretty much about it. That is how you can go ahead and repair your game bar if it doesn't work for you. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.